Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install Turbo C, C++ into our Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we will go to our favorite browser. I'm choosing Google Chrome and then search over here, Studiopedia. Here you can see and click enter. After searching for Studiopedia, you will get the first link. So click on the first one. So here you can see we are in Studiopedia home page, and by coming here you can see the C programming tutorial. Click on that and a new page is appeared. And now what we will do, we will go for this option left side, that set up environment for C, download and install Turbo C++. Just click on it. After click on that, here we get that Turbo C++ download Turbo C++ option. Just scroll down a little bit and then click on just click on continue reading. If this kind of interface is appeared, then click on download Turbo C++, and after that close it. So here you can see the download is started over here. So here you can see Turbo C 3.2 is downloaded. Now click on this show in folder icon, click on Turbo C++ and click on your right mouse button and extract here. And after that, the extract is completed, and here you can see Turbo C 3.2. Click on it, and after that, here we'll get the setup options. Click on that, and here you can see preparing to install over here. So after that, you have to click next to install, and you need to check I accept the terms in the license agreement and click next. And after that, here you nothing to do, just click on install. And after that, they would go for a permission and click yes. And after that, the installation is getting started. You can see. So it will take some seconds. After that, this is finished. Click finished and the program will be run. Minimize it. Here you can see this is C++ interface over here, home interface over here. So after that, here you can see full screen mode, but also you can start Turbo C++ from here, or if you want to create a project, then you have options, but I will go for the start Turbo C++, and here you can see we are in Turbo C++. So whatever prompt you type, that will be worked. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.